Okay, let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever wanted to grow on Instagram, but the moment you think about recording yourself, editing videos, or posting every single day, you just go, yeah, no. Yeah, same. That's exactly why today we're talking about something that's been popping up everywhere lately, Insta Engine AI. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, great, another AI tool promising overnight success, stick with me, because I actually dug into this one, and there's some interesting stuff going on. Let's be honest. Instagram works. We all know it works, but most people quit for the same reasons. They hate being on camera, they don't know what to post, they can't stay consistent, and getting 0 views absolutely kills motivation. So it's not that Instagram is broken, it's that manual content creation burns people out. And that's the exact problem Insta Engine AI claims to solve. So what is Insta Engine AI? In simple terms, it's an Instagram automation system, not just another editing tool. Instead of helping you make content, it claims to run your Instagram page for you. We're talking AI-generated reels, AI captions and hashtags, trend research, auto-posting, auto-engagement, even automated replies to comments and DMs, all done without showing your face. Yeah, that part alone got my attention. According to the system, it works in 3 steps. Step 1, you choose a niche. Money, motivation, fitness, luxury, business, quotes, whatever you want. Step 2, the AI builds everything for you. Reels, scripts, captions, hashtags, visuals, and a posting schedule. Step 3, you turn on automation. From there, the system posts daily, engages with your audience, and grows your page 24/7. No camera, no editing, no stressing about what to post tomorrow. That's the promise. Now here's where Insta Engine AI tries to separate itself from other tools. Most tools help you edit, help you schedule, or give you ideas. This one claims to actually replace the work. It includes AI trend analytics, viral reel styles, bulk reel creation, competitor analysis, built-in editor, monetization-ready setups. So instead of being a creator, you're positioning yourself as an owner of attention assets. And honestly, that's a smart angle. Now, let me be clear. This isn't magic. This is best for beginners who don't want to be on camera. Freelancers and marketers, agency owners managing multiple pages, people building faceless Instagram brands. If you love filming yourself every day, you might not even need this. But if your biggest obstacle is time, consistency, or burnout, this system was designed exactly for that. And yes, monetization is a big part of this. The platform is built for affiliate marketing, selling shoutouts, promoting digital products, running client pages, even flipping Instagram pages as digital assets. Plus, they throw in a stack of bonuses: affiliate training, DM automation funnels, viral reel strategies, and even a blueprint for scaling multiple accounts. They definitely didn't hold back on the bonuses. Right now, Insta Engine AI is offered as a one-time price during launch, with plans to move to a monthly model later. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're not locked in if it's not for you. That part matters. So here's my honest take. Insta Engine AI isn't about becoming famous. It's about removing friction. It's for people who want Instagram to work in the background while they focus on bigger things. If you're tired of overthinking content, falling off consistency, or watching others grow while you stay stuck, this might be worth checking out. I'll leave the link below so you can look into it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.